Kind of bored if you can't tell. Rock being bored than most men out here. Come on.
Hey guys, so this is the hair that we'd be using for today's tutorial. It's an 100% human hair. I love the consistency of the hair because it was soft and it didn't shed a lot, which is good for like a new hair. And it came with this wig cap, which was really nice. So this is the mix to bleach your knots that I did. I'm going to put the products in the description below so that you can know the products and buy if you're interested in doing this process for yourself. So do watch, enjoy and learn, and if you have any further questions or even contributions, you can put it in the description below. Thank you. I left mine for 10 minutes, which is optional. You can leave yours 15 to 20 depending on the developer that you're using for your bleaching. Hold you for hold you for life.
Hi guys, it's me. I'm trying to look at the mirror over there, but yeah.
For the durability of the laying, I decided to put 3 layers of glue on our head in order for it to last for a long period of time. So it's just dependent on what you are looking for in terms of when you're laying your wig on your head. It's totally dependent on you. Hold you for life.
hold you for life. So tired, coming closer. I wanna be in your life until the night is over.